Our immune systems need help. Every day we're fighting off allergens, pollution, airborne diseases, and more. We can help. This ancient therapy, dry salt therapy, is safe and natural. Dry salt therapy, otherwise known as Halotherapy, has been used for centuries to improve overall health and well-being, helping people feel better, improving lung function, and fighting off disease. Salt is antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory. We use specialized machines, called halo generators, that break down pharmaceutical-grade salt into microscopic particles, small enough to get into the deepest part of the lungs. These halo generators then disperse the microscopic salt into the room, where you relax and breathe it in. The salt thins out mucus and absorbs and extracts unwanted allergens, pollutants, and bacteria in the airways and lungs. This boosts your immune system in a big way. The anti-inflammatory properties of the salt decrease inflammation of the airways, helping you to breathe easier. You can expand your respiratory system and improve your immune system using halotherapy. Breathing in the salt-concentrated air allows for deeper breathing and increased oxygen, which also helps oxygenate your blood and other organs, increasing their health. At our wellness facility, we provide a comfortable, inviting atmosphere. Your health and safety are of utmost concern to us. Therefore, we're taking extra precautions to ensure that you're coming into a clean and sterile environment every time. The Salt Therapy Association recommends up to 3 weekly sessions, depending on your health goals and conditions. We'll get you started with a wellness consultation to discuss your personal goals to develop a short or long-term plan that is right for you. Schedule now and take control of your health and well-being. Start living and feeling well with Salt Therapy.
Experts agree that cardio, muscle and brain exercise are critical to overall health. But what if you discovered you were missing an exercise that the Surgeon General says was just as important? To better understand this important exercise, let's first meet your skeleton. Did you know your bones make your red and white blood cells? Did you know your bones help regulate growth hormone and testosterone? And did you know your bones also help with blood sugar regulation? And don't forget stem cells, the type that helps repair your joints, muscles, ligaments and nerves. I bet you thought that your skeleton just held you up. Well, it turns out that your skeleton needs a unique type of exercise to function properly. That special type of skeletal exercise is impact. Not just any impact, the safe type. The secret is micro-impact, and your bones crave it. How do you safely get micro-impact? In nature, we get it by walking barefoot. Walking 5 miles a day barefoot will get you enough. But now, after years and millions of dollars in research, scientists have found an easier way. It's called Juvent, the first clinically proven micro-impact platform in the world. The Juvent platform in just 10 to 20 minutes a day gives you the micro-impact your skeleton and body needs to help get its repair work done and help keep you pain-free. Juvent's clinically proven, patented technology discovers the right frequency of micro-impact for your body. Simply stand on it for 12 seconds and its patented sensing technology calibrates the Juvent to the uniqueness of your size, shape and body mass. Then just relax and enjoy the Juvent session as thousands of gentle, soothing pulses travel up through the soles of your feet and throughout your entire body, reaching all critical joints and tissue. Each Juvent session stimulates your joints, helping promote natural joint motion and healing, stimulates millions of muscle fibers, gently exercises your bones, promotes circulation and lymphatic flow, and can even help improve balance. Just imagine how much better you'll feel. Joint and ligament pain affects over 60 million Americans today. It can destroy a person's quality of life and make activities impossible. So don't wait. Join the many doctors, physical therapists, athletes, trainers, and people like you and me who have discovered the natural benefits of Juvent's micro-impact. Your joints will thank you.
Hello, my name is Alden Lombardo.
Good morning, I'm Reverend Dr. Vince Carroll, Longport Island Chapel.
I've had 2 knee replacements, and I like to do a lot of bicycling, and I could not do any bicycling 2 days in a row.
I had been diagnosed with a precondition of neuropathy, my feet, and also after many years in the Navy chaplaincy, having been a runner, have had some arthritis in my knees.
The doctor told me that I was going to have my ankle fused, and I could not really walk without using a boot to help myself along. After using the Juvent for 2 weeks, I have had no more pain, have not had to take any aspirin or anything else in order to help it out at all, and I have not used the boot at all, and I'm feeling much better.
Juvent has given me an unlisted number for my age because I feel like I'm 47 instead of 67, and there isn't a day that I want to miss Juvent.
He has a lot of energy. I mean, he's amazing. He can garden, bike.
But after the Juvent use in this past 18 months, there's been a significant change in reduction. Feeling has come back to toes, to the heel, and so I am just delighted.
Because it's made me feel healthier, stronger, more imbalanced, more energized, removed my excruciating arthritis that I thought I would have to give up playing golf. It's just been an amazing, amazing factor in my life. I feel that Juvent is helping me to get better every day in every way.
Juvent Health. Feel better every day.
Hi, I'm Sarah Turner, the CEO and co-founder of Cera Thrive and the inventor of the Cera system. Today I'm excited to introduce to you our revolutionary red light technology that harmonises the gut-brain connection. It's essential to read the user manual before you begin. Not only does it contain all the technical information, but it also has some really cool graphics to help you understand what's going on with the red light therapy. The Cera body panel is designed to be worn across the abdomen, and it simply attaches using a Velcro strap. But here's the exciting part. By targeting the area over the microbiome, we aim to create a better environment and also target the vagus nerve to help harmonise that gut-brain connection. The Cera headband is an incredible innovation in neurotechnology. It contains 4 wavelengths of light: 630, 850, 940 and 1070 nanometers. We've optimised these wavelengths to target all of the receptors in the brain. The longer the wavelength of light, the deeper the penetration onto the brain's surface. The Cera headband also has 4 separate target sites, 3 at the front and 1 at the back, and we also use oscillations or pulsing technology to deliver the most therapeutic range of light. The entire system is app controlled and allows you to choose from 6 preset programs depending on your health goals. Once you've made your selection, you have the option to disable the Bluetooth function on the headset. The battery is totally shielded to remove any unwanted electromagnetic effects. Now it's time for you to experience the healing benefits of the Cera system for yourself. Get ready to harmonise your gut-brain connection. And if you've booked a coaching call, we look forward to seeing you very soon, or you can check the website for more details.